Coda. Sudden changes. Call back in the morning. Some fun for now. Somewhere that's green. Reprise. Closed for renovation. You never know. Sominex / Suppertime. Due. Now it's just the gas. The Meek shall inherit. Mushnik and Son. Suppertime. Prologue, Little Shop of Horrors. Feed me, Git It. Suddenly, Seymour. Dentist. Skid Row downtown.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.